Hi, in this lesson, we will see about what are custom parameters. Let's start from the beginning, okay, so that you can use these parameters interlinkingly. So let's start from the UTM parameters. So we have discussed it, right? There are few UTM parameters that are very standard. So like UTM source, medium, campaign content, there are only few of them. So if you remember, these are the keys, right? And here we can give the values, and these values can be given manually. That is what we have discussed in the UTM parameters. I mean UTM parameters lesson, right? In the value tracking parameters, what we have discussed, the value can be replaced automatically or dynamically based on the click, right? And in the value tracking parameters also, we have also discussed that how can we use these UTM parameters and value track parameters combinedly, right? If you remember, there we have used UTM, we have seen, right, device, UTM device, where for this key he has used a value of this device. I hope you are watching or you are revising those classes regularly. So this he has used, right? Or if he want, he can also use manually. But when you use this one, it can be dynamically updated or uploaded, right? Let's say if he has clicked from the mobile, in that cases M will be replaced. If he has clicked from a tablet, in that case T will be replaced. And if he has clicked from a computer, in that case C will be replaced, right? So now let's see what are custom parameters, right? So value track parameters are starts with braces and ends with braces, right? In the custom parameters, what happens? Custom track parameters starts with braces, and it will also have underscore at the beginning. And next you can see, you can type whatever you want. Okay. So again, I am telling you here, in the value track parameters, these value track parameters are given by the Google. We have to use whatever the value track parameters that are available in Google, right? So, and these custom parameters. Okay, let's go for the custom parameters. This custom parameters is available only for the campaign level, ad group level, and ad level. These are not available at the account level. Okay, so let's select one campaign. I'm selecting this one and go to settings. And here go to the URL options. So you see, this is the custom parameters. Here, what you can do, we can give your own key and you can mention your value. That will be automatically loaded. Okay, let's see. So let's say here I wanted to use this campaign ID. So if you have remember in the previous lessons, where we have discussed, it is not possible to take campaign name directly, right? That is why we have used campaign name manually. That is why we have entered campaign name manually, right? So what if you want to load, or what if you want to automatically load this campaign name? How can we do it? Is it possible? Let's see. Okay, so here what I am doing, so I'm duplicating this tab. What I will do is, so here we have two campaigns, right? Let's, here I am taking this another DSA store campaign. So for it, what I am doing, okay, going into the URL options, going into the custom. So I am defining these custom parameters at front only, at the first only, okay, before going into Google Ads, so that these custom parameters will be uniform at all the campaigns, right? So here what I am telling, so here I am going to the custom parameters and keeping it as campaign name, right? So the same one I am copying here. Let's CMPI GN campaign name. Let's keep it like this. Okay. So same I am copying it and pasting it the another campaign. So I am making sure that this custom parameters key is same, so that this value can be fetched dynamically. Okay. Here what I am giving, this is a DSA campaign, right? DSA Digistore Pros. And here what is the campaign name? It is Brand Core, right? So and I am saving them, save, and here also I am saving it. Okay, so what I have done here, I have made a custom parameter uniform at all these campaigns so that I can use this custom parameter. So what I will do it, so I am copying this custom parameter here. Let's go here, right? Braces underscore braces. So this is the custom parameter, right? So I will place this at the account level. Okay, so the URL, okay, let's lp url close braces starts with question mark. This is the campaign name. So I want the campaign name. I also want uh, the term, right? I also want the term. What I will do, so this is the value, this will be value, okay, this will be value. Let's see, don't get confused, please watch carefully. Key, and here this is the campaign name, this is the key, and this is the value. Next I also want the device type from which it got triggered, right? Device. So here I want it to dynamically fetch, copy and paste. I also want from which keyword, keyword here, this is the same, right? Paste, and this should be in braces. Again I am telling you, value track parameters are defined by Google, those only you can use, you cannot use another value track parameters. Let's say I also want the ad group names fetched dynamically. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am going into this campaign and going into this particular ad group, right? So going into the ad group URL options, here what I am doing, ad group name. So here what I do, so it is Google Ads, right? Google Ads. Copy this one. Okay, copy, just for your reference, paste it here. So make sure that all are in small letters. Okay, copy, paste here, right, and save. So this is for one ad group we have saved. Let's do it for another ad group as well. So what I am doing here, URL options, paste, and here the ad group name is paid media varsity. Save, right, and another one, this is the one, ad group URL options, ad group name, paste, and here it is pharma plus medicals, right? Save. Similarly going for the another campaign here, let's here let's add for, save it and go for the ad group level. Let's add for one of the campaigns because here there are more ad groups, right? Let's add for one ad group, it will be enough for you to understand. Ad group, paste, so it is BSA and contains, page contains, right? Page contains, save it. I also want the ad group name to be dynamically fetched. So in the value track parameters, we only able to get IDs, we don't able to get names. So in this way you can also able to get names. So here ad group name will be the, this will be the key, and here this will be the value. This is what we have given, right? So braces close, underscore, braces open, right? I hope you are getting all these points and logics. Please don't get confused, watch carefully. Now we have to combine it. Let's combine. Okay, this is here equal to will come, equal to, equal to, equal to. and this can be combined with ampersand, right? And so let's concatenate so that we can build this URL question mark key, this is the value, device, value, device, sorry, we are not using this ampersand, right? It should be there in order to combine the parameters, so don't get confused, okay? And campaign name, value, and device, right? This is the one, right? This is the final landing page URL. So now what I will do, removing this one, I will copy this one and paste it at the account level. Go to account settings, so let's tracking, right? Go here and paste it here and save. Now let's assume that a keyword or an ad got triggered from this campaign and from this ad group, Google Ads ad group. So how will it look like after a user clicks on it? Let's see. Okay, this is how it will look like. So in the LP URL place, the landing page will be there. This is the landing page. Whatever the landing page you have given for the respective ads or the for respective keywords, it will be replaced. Let's assume this is the landing page that you have given, right? So the campaign name, what will be the campaign name? So here, what is the campaign name that you are saying? We have discussed it, right? Where is this custom parameter present? This custom parameter is present for this campaign. So this will be replaced. That custom parameter will be replaced, right? With this name. It will be replaced with this name, right? It will be like this. Okay, and the ad group name, here we have, right, ad group name. So how will it fetch? So it will look for this custom parameter where this is present, right? So as it is triggering from this campaign, it is fetching the campaign name from that custom parameter, and again as it is fetching from this ad group, it will fetch this ad group name whatever we have given at the custom parameter. So this will be fetched. Copy, paste, right? Let's assume the keyword that got triggered is Google Ads only, right? So here, as there is space, it will be like sentence 20. It will be like this. Okay, and ad group name is here. It should come, right? Please don't get confused. Here it should come. And what is the device? It is computer, right? So it will be C. This is how it will appear for the final click that has happened. Okay, so let's again combine so that you will get a clear picture again. Here it will be question mark, right? And here it is and. Okay, so it will be like this, and concatenate this device ampersand keyword ampersand, right? This is how the final URL will appear after a user clicks on our ad. I hope you are getting these value track parameters, custom parameters, and all these UTM parameters, and how we can use them interlinkingly so that we can have a clear picture of from where a user is coming from, right? So I suggest you to watch these videos again and again, and I also suggest you to practice this so that you will get a clear picture of how we can build these URL parameters. We will meet in the next lesson.